You said you're joking, and then you weren't joking. So which is it? Which side are you on?
Well, I mean, hopefully after this, I'm done answering.
Good. Let's clear it up for good. You never have to be asked again.
Clear it up for good. I mean, people are gonna ask me regardless, but I think the like what you say and what you do and how you mean it. At the time, I was like huge into conspiracies. Everybody's been there. Everybody's been there. Like, yo, what's going on with our world? You know, like you click a YouTube click and it goes like how deep the rabbit hole goes. It's like, yo, you start telling all your friends like, yo, did you see that? Did you watch this video? I'm telling you. And it was, you know, at the time it was like, you're like innocent in it, but you realize the effect of the power of voice, and even if you believe in that, it's like you just, like, well, don't come out and say that stuff. That's for intimate conversations, because perception, how you're received, it just changes. Like, no, I'm actually a smart-ass individual. Like, no, it's just
yeah.
Like, so it's not like it's not like I was just coming out and saying that. So it was like at the time, just didn't realize the effect, and
right.
I was definitely at that time like, I'm a big conspiracy theorist. You can't tell me anything.
Right.
So yeah, I'm sorry about all that. You know, for all the science teachers, everybody coming up to me like, you know, I gotta reteach my whole curriculum. I'm sorry. I apologize. I apologize.
You have a large